Volvo Cars and Uber now present Volvo Cars' first autonomous drive-ready production vehicle, the next step in the strategic collaboration between both companies. The design is based on the refreshed Volvo XC90, with extra technology added to help support a safe introduction of autonomous driving. The car's development is a part of Volvo Cars' commercial agreement with Uber for the delivery of autonomous drive-capable base cars. An important feature of the autonomous drive-ready car is the inclusion of backup systems for functions such as steering, braking, and the 12-volt battery. This means that if any primary system would fail for some reason, the backup safety systems are designed to act immediately to bring the car to a stop. Beyond this, an arrangement of ultrasonic sensors and cameras around the car create a 360-degree near-field perception capability designed to help the car safely monitor its close surroundings. The cameras are fitted with individual cleaning nozzles to maintain visibility while driving. A new vehicle motion control function translates a computer-calculated path into car movement. Volvo Cars' first autonomous drive-ready production vehicle will be supplied to Uber as a base vehicle for Uber to modify with its own technology and systems, including its autonomous driving computer and roof box sensor kit that can enable the car to drive autonomously. Volvo Cars is developing a similar base vehicle concept for its future autonomous drive vehicles.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.